Hey, I'm Chad with Associated Heating. Today I want to show you how to change your filter. On this application, this is our training unit, so we have a couple different filters. I'm going to show you the basic filter that we have. The door comes off with the two clips. Now on this filter, you can see that there is an arrow right here pointing down because the airflow is going to the furnace. Most furnaces are going to have a filter on top. This is a different type of system, but always remember to just have your arrow pointing to the furnace in the ductwork. It's as easy as just pulling the filter out of the cabinet. Do a quick inspection, just make sure that the filter is dirty. This one is clean because it is new for training. I usually have people hold it up to a light and then just kind of give it a little inspection just to see if there's any debris or dirt to the filter. If it's dirty, go ahead and change it out. A new one, go ahead and just put it right back in, paying attention to the arrow, airflow direction. Go ahead and replace the door and put the clips down. I hope that helped you. This is definitely something every homeowner should be able to do to their own heating system. If you do have any questions though, feel free to get a hold of us. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, and see you next time.